So we have here an event, it's called ABFLIEGEN in our club. It's the last day of the year where you fly usually, and we have a competition to land in a specific spot. And today I'm flying a Discus 1, our club, already flying. We have a lot of wind, so it's quite interesting today. Ausgeklingt, Dankeschön. Let's see if we can find a thermal here. Look what I just saw here on the ground. SGP champ Stefan. So nice of my club. Okay, we now should land in the field, in the exact field. I don't know if I am good at this. Absolutely not sure if I will hit the 100 points. It's so turbulent. I need to practice more, but it's also a different glider now. It's a Discus B or something like this, or CS, I don't know. Yeah, very cool. Let's continue with 2 more flights.
Das sieht so schlecht aus. Ich glaube nach dem Motor.
At least it right until the very end. It's raining now.